Welcome back to Dad's Expensive Hobbies, the channel where we bring collectibles to life. Today we've got a piece of 1980s muscle car history, the 1987 Buick Grand National from Jada's Big Time Muscle series. Nicknamed the Blackbird, this car has a reputation for being one of the most feared rides of its time, and Jada's 1/24 scale version does a great job capturing that legendary look and feel. As it spins on the turntable, just look at that deep black finish. The real Grand National was famous for its all-black, no-nonsense appearance, and this diecast nails it perfectly. The squared-off headlights, the menacing front grille, and that smooth, clean body style all come together to give it that stealth fighter vibe. Along the sides, you'll notice Jada's attention to detail. Crisp body lines, flush door handles, and side mirrors all done just right. The stance is low and aggressive, sitting on performance-style tires with classic Grand National rims. Even in scale, you can see the attitude this car carried when it rolled down the street. At the back, the rectangular taillights and subtle spoiler finish it off, clean, tough, and ready to remind anyone behind it that this car was built to dominate. Taking a peek inside, the interior is all black, just like the real thing. You've got bucket seats, a detailed dash, a center console, and that classic Buick steering wheel. It's simple, bold, and built for performance. Now, under the hood is where this car made its mark. Instead of relying on a big V8 like most muscle cars, the Grand National shocked everyone with a turbocharged 3.8L V6. It was quick, it was powerful, and it embarrassed plenty of sports cars back in the day. With a sculpted block, turbo detail, Jada gives us a taste of that performance under the hood, and hoses all molded in to bring that power plant to life in scale form. So there it is, the 1/24 scale Jada Big Time Muscle 1987 Buick Grand National, the Blackbird. Sleek, detailed, and a must-have for any serious collector. If you enjoyed this showcase, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more Diecast car features, and check out my other videos here on Dad's Expensive Hobbies. We've got plenty more muscle, character cars, and turntable showdowns coming your way. Until next time, keep diecasting, and God bless.